business community within this area of Luna Park that the changes that are coming are for good. We are in the process of reducing congestion or traffic flow within Nairobi CBD, and one way of reducing the traffic jams is to ensure all the public service vehicles have a terminus outside CBD where there can be an end to their journeys from their respective destinations. So one of the areas that has been earmarked for all the public service vehicles coming along Mombasa Road from Machakos, all the areas from Gong and Rungai will end up here. So this is going to be a very busy terminus while we redirect the routes of all those PSV vehicles to be, this will be their terminus. We will call it a Green Park Terminus. All we are asking is cooperation from the members of the business community here, that we are going to do some realignment. We are not chasing anybody away. These restaurants you see here are part of the essential services that all passengers are lighting or and boarding any of the PSV will require their services. So business is only going to be better if they realign their business to cater for the volumes of people that will be in and out of this terminal.